What if the secret to life wasn't in striving for more, but in learning how to let go? Alan Watts, the philosopher who bridged Eastern wisdom and Western thought, dared to challenge how we see the world. His message? Life isn't a problem to solve, it's a dance to enjoy. Welcome to Echoes of the Creed. The 20th century was an era of rapid progress but also growing discontent. People were trapped in routines, chasing material success while feeling an aching void within. Alan Watts, born in 1915 in England, felt this tension deeply. A seeker from the start, he immersed himself in philosophy, studying Christianity, Buddhism, and Taoism. But as a young man, he too struggled to find clarity in a world obsessed with purpose and productivity. It wasn't until he encountered Zen Buddhism that his perspective shifted. Zen wasn't about achieving, it was about being. This was the spark he needed to begin unraveling the great paradoxes of existence. Watts took his newfound wisdom and made it his mission to share it with the world. In his books, lectures, and radio broadcasts, he posed radical questions. Why are we afraid of change? Why do we cling to control when life is inherently unpredictable? He spoke of life as a game, not a struggle, a symphony, not a race. Through his teachings, he urged people to stop being prisoners of their own minds. The more we try to hold onto life, he said, the more it slips away. Instead, flow with it. Trust the universe. Alan Watts' message continues to resonate, especially in today's fast-paced, anxiety-driven world. His teachings remind us to embrace the present moment, to dance with the uncertainties of life, and to find beauty in simply being. Watts showed us that life's beauty lies not in controlling it, but in surrendering to it. His words remain a lifeline for those seeking peace, purpose, and a deeper connection to the rhythm of existence. He said, "You're under no obligation to be the same person you were 5 minutes ago." Alan Watts didn't just teach philosophy, he lived it. His insights are timeless, offering a path to navigate life with grace and intention. He challenges us to stop clinging, to stop fearing, and instead to trust in the natural flow of existence. Let his wisdom be a call to action in your life, to let go of the unnecessary, embrace the present, and awaken to the beauty of simply being. Life is not a race or a puzzle to solve. It's a masterpiece in progress. So, take the first step, no matter how small, toward a life of meaning and mindfulness. Live with purpose. Join the Creed.